Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to SEO optimize your WordPress site, then this video is for you. So WordPress is a platform where you can build your website for your e-commerce business, for your blogs, for your forums, as a portfolio, anything you can create with this WordPress. And WordPress is a leading name that can help you to build a great web page, a responsive web page that can drive more traffic. But SEO is a fundamental thing that comes when you want to drive more traffic on your WordPress sites. So in WordPress, the SEO principle is pretty same like other sites. So you can do is when you are on WordPress, let me show you each and everything that you have to know for optimize your page, for SEO optimize your page, and you can drive more traffic. So this is my demo site here. For example, this is a demo site for me. Now, first thing you have to do when you have created all of your pages and a whole page of some lots of page that you want on your website, after editing each and every part, you have to do is simply go to the plugins. Here you can find the plugins. Simply click on plugins here. Now from here you can find different types of plugin that can help you to build your website and make it more responsive, and you can add more features. So sometimes it's like here for SEO optimization you need one or two SEO optimization plugins. The first one is Yoast SEO. So you can search for Yoast SEO. You can search for Yoast and you can find this here, the free and the premium version. So you can go with the free version for the first time. So you can simply click on it where you can find this here. So you have to do is simply click on upgrade and activate here. So install. So you have to upgrade to a paid plan from here. So once you have upgraded it, you can install this here. So it's covered here. I'm going to show you something. And another website, another plugin is, let me show you. Another plugin, you can go to plugins and you can search for rank math and hit enter. And you can find the rank math plugin here. So, and also all-in-one SEO. This both plugin will help you to optimize your page with the SEO principles. So first thing, you have to upgrade your plan here. Now if I just show you again from the plugins, so here you can find this type of plugin here, or you can find the model for interface, whatever version you are going to use. I'm using another version of WordPress here, so I'm going to simply click on add plugin and I'm going to add this here, like Yoast. Now hit enter. After entering the Yoast, here you can see the Yoast SEO, so you can simply click on it. Now from here you can find this install now button. Simply click on install now and it is installing here, and it is installed already. So I'm going to install another one, that is rank math SEO. So this is also useful and leading you can say leading plugin here. So when you have installed it, now you have to activate those plugin, and I'm going to simply click on activate here. So simply here here you can see first time configuration. So you have to simply click on first time configuration to configure your Yoast SEO. So from here you have to do is SEO data optimize, start SEO data optimize. Simply click on continue. Now site representative, so you have to represent your site like an organization or a person or anything you can select. Now your website name here, now organization name, and you can enter a logo, then save and continue. Now here I have to select a logo, so you have to select a logo. So I'm going to select a logo from here. So I have just selected it. Now simply click on select, and yes, it has just added here. Now you have to simply click on continue, save and continue. Now social profile here, so you have to add some social profile. So for example, save and continue. I'm not going to add it here. Now personal preferences, you have to add your email address here. Now you have to simply click on save and continue. Now here is a finished configuration. So you can do is learn how to increase your rank with the Yoast SEO, or go to your SEO dashboard. So when you are on your SEO dashboard, here you can find all and everything that you have to do. So for example, if I go to my homepage here, like sample page, here you can see the Yoast icon at the top right corner. Here you have to simply click on it, and from here you can find all the principles that you have to follow to optimize your page as the SEO principles. So from here, like focus keywords, you have to add some keywords or get related keywords, and you can find keywords from here. Also, it will show you the preview how it looks like. Now SEO analysis is so bad here, so you have to add more of them from here, and here you can find problems. Like here is all the problems that you have to fix. So once you have complete or fix all these problems, and then you can go to the next page. Here is the readability analysis. Then you have to complete all this the need improvement task here. So once you have completed all of this from here, then you will be able to optimize your SEO optimize your pages from here. Also, let me show you another one is here, so for example, plugin here. So install plugin, or there is rank method here, so you have to simply click on activate. So I'm going to activate the rank method here, so simply click on activate. Now here you can see it has just activated. Now you can go to the rank method SEO, you can find the rank method SEO from here. Now you have to connect your account, so you have to simply click on it, connect your account. Now you have to go with the WordPress.com, or you can use your Google account here, whatever you want. Now simply click on verify your this capture here. Now you have to add your email address and password, and you are good to go. So otherwise you can do is, I'm going to complete with my Google account here. So I'm going to select my Google account. Now give the permission, simply click on continue. So once you have give the permissions, it will show you some setups. Now, okay, activate here. You can see the site here. Okay, activate now. So make sure the URL is correct according to your current web page where you want to optimize your SEO. So here you have to get started. So you have to go with this advanced. So simply click on start wizard. Now import here. Import data. You can import data from Yoast SEO if you have. So you can also if you don't want to import it, you can also cancel it. So you can see it is all importing all the data from the Yoast SEO, the existing plugin. Now simply click on continue. Now you have to select the category like personal blog, personal portfolio, a small business site, or anything. So after that you have to add a website name, website alternate name, all of this logo from Google. So you can do all of them. Now simply continue. Now connect the Google services. Now simply click on connect the Google services, and you have to select your Google account here. Simply click on continue and give all the permission for to accessing your all the features of your Google. So when you have added this from here, you have to add the search console, the site here. You have to add the site here, then analysis here, and all the AdSense. So you can simply click on save and continue, and you can skip all of this. Now sitemap, it will automatically create a sitemap according to your current formation of your website. So you have to simply select all of them and simply click on save and continue. Now SEO tweaks, leave this as default. Now simply click on it, and you can see it is ready here. Now you can go with advanced set up advanced option here. So role manager, I'm not going to go do it here. So 404 monitor, turn it on, and redirection, turn it on, and save and continue. Then schema markup here, so you have to select article, book, a course, event, job, anything, product. So I'm going to select product. Now you have to add a schema here. For pages, I'm going to add a product again. Now simply click on save and continue, and you can see it will add it to your web page. So make sure you have added all the correct information to get the best SEO analysis here. So you can find content AI, analytics, here general settings, titles and meta, sitemap settings, instant indexing, 404 monitoring, SEO analyzer here. You can go to the SEO analyzer here and can simply click on start SEO analyzer, and you can see it is analyzing my website, and it will detect all the problems here. That here you can see failed test here, some 6 of them are failed here, and 4 are warning I have. So you have to fix all of them that you have. Here you can see like keywords in title and description, there is no keyword like focused keyword. There is no focus keyword on the meta title and meta description. Also there is no focus keywords, as I have told you at this here. So you have to fix all of this, and you can also analyze your computer from here. So for that you have to upgrade to the premium plan, and also there's more option from here. Also SEO Just as you also have some more options like general settings, integration tools, different types of tools that can help you to increase your SEO score here from here. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.